ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ನಿಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪತ್ತೊಂದು ಬೈದ ಸೊ ನಿಕ್ಕಲು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಷನ್ ತೂದುಪ್ಪೋರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವಿಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಂದೆ ಆರ್ ಬೇತೆ ಇರ್ಲತ್ತು ಇಂಕಲ್ನ ಬಿರೋಶ್ ಸೆಬೆಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಸೊ ಇನ್ನಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೇಟಾರಿಗೆ ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಗೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎನ್ನ ದನ್ಪೆರೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ಪನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೆಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಆರ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆರ್ನ ವಿಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಕ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿ ತೂವೇರೆ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏಪಲ ಯಾನ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಲ್ದಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಬಂದು ತೊಷ್ಪಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಇನಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಅವು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ ಬೋದಾರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತೂವರೆಗೆ ಸೊ ಇತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ಲು ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನಿ ಪ್ರಿಯೇಶ್ ಉಳ್ಳೇರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ ಮಾಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಆರ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪೇರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲೇರಿ ಸೊ ಆರ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಜನಲ್ಲೇರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗಗನ್ ಧ್ರುವ ಪಂದ್ ಮೇರ್ನ ಪುದಾರ್ ಸೊ ಹೀಸ್ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಆರ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೇರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರಾರೆ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಒಂದು ಪೇರು ಇರ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೈ ಇಂದು ಇರ್ನ ಇಂದು ಮಲ್ಪುರತ್ತೆ ಇರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೇರು ಸಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಿ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಪುರ ಸಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಬಿ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅವಿಂದು ಪುರ ಮಲ್ಪುವೇರಾರೆ ಸೊ ಇನಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಗಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಲ್ತದ ಬರ್ರೆಗೆ ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಇನಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫಿ ಇಡ್ಬರ ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಲ್ತಂದಿಲ್ಲೇರಿ ಸೊ ಅರೆಗ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಪಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಿರೋಶ್ ಸೆಬೆಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೇರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನಿತ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ದಾಯ್ ಪಂಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಹೋಯ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀಪ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ದಾರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈದನ್ 1K ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಗ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಲ ಸೊ ನಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಪುನ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಏರ್ ಮಾತು ಇತ್ತೆ ಮುಟ್ಟೆಂಗ್ಲ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಲ್ದಿದ್ಯಾರ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಚನ ಎಂಗ್ಲ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಲೋ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಿಕ್ಕಲು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪನ್ನ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ದು ಸೊ ಇನಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಉಳ್ಳೇರಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಿರೋಶ್ ಸೆಬೆಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಸೊ ಮೇರ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಇನಿ ನರೇಟ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಏನು ಆರು ಮುಲ್ಪಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆತಿನಾರೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಬತ್ ಎಂಚ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಯ್ರಿ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಬಿರೋಶ್ ಮಾಮ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್
so much
welcome so finally ನಮ್ಮ first question ದಾದ ಬಂಡೇರಿಗೆ where you guys belong from
I'm born and brought up here in Bangalore.
Okay.
But my dad and mom they are from Cochin. Yeah,
Cochin. So you still have the property and everything?
Yes, we all family is there.
Okay, fine. So how did this come from? The vintage collections, these bikes put on there. So who is the inspiration for all this?
To start with, from a young age, I was fascinated for bikes.
Okay.
And the reason is my dad.
Okay.
He used to ride bikes and scooters, and I used to go with him.
Okay.
That is how I started liking vehicles.
Okay.
So it has become a part of my life, I can say.
So at the early stage, what was the source of income for you to buy these bikes? I mean to say, like you told me during your young age you started fascinating about all these things.
Yes.
So what was the source for you? Because even we have so many young boys outside here. So they want to buy these bikes, but the market of the vintage sector is very high. So what made you to get the income to buy this? And what was the price during those early days for this kind of bikes?
See, like in my young age, when I wanted to buy a bike, it was not possible because I started with RX. Okay, so it was like for the racing, I used to take part in the race also.
Yeah.
So
we have heard about that.
Yeah. That was that age. So it started up like that, and after my marriage, it was actually I started collecting one by one.
Okay. So till then you were like into...
Yeah, I used to buy vehicles and sell also. That was my initial start, where I started collecting bit of money.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Then I picked one by one.
Okay, fine. So you told me like you were more of passionate about racing and all.
Yes.
So even I had heard that through our Jannanna, Doctor
Yes.
SD Doctor Kudlala.
He's a
So he was telling us that you have been participated for the track race, kind of a dirt track race. So what was the year like you got into the racing stuff and all these things?
As soon as my studies,
Okay.
I was into it. So that was the start actually. Janana's place and all. I used to see Vinci. He was my godfather, I can say.
Okay, for the
Like,
biking
yeah,
culture.
he taught me how to.
Right.
Is where I started. I started from Papa.
Okay.
Then I have traveled around for the racing also.
So, where you've been traveled, like where you've been riding since all this years, like what is the longest?
I have done Leh Ladakh.
Okay.
That was from Delhi actually.
Okay.
So the whole circuit was around 3,500 kilometers.
3,500 kilometers.
Yeah.
You
That
rode
was
from all the way from Delhi to Leh
yeah,
Ladakh.
yeah. We all the way around we have done.
Then even we have heard that you have been like written like through the Limca Book of Records that
Yes.
some
That
kind of
is-
achievement.
Yeah. SD Java, we have a club,
Okay.
JYMC, which is called. And through that club, we have driven to Bangalore.
Okay.
The event was in Bangalore.
Okay.
So we have got the Limca records.
Okay.
And we have
That was a
attempted-
group event.
Yeah, that was a group event. That was like factory stock.
Okay.
It was stock by 95, I think.
Right, yeah.
Till then, the bikes were done. So the event was like factory stock bike, highest number of gathering and round, like 3 kilometers or so.
Okay, fine.
So we have completed that, and I have got the certificates around. We have done this also, Guinness record.
Oh.
So it is
Yeah, I heard
attempt,
that it was a bit of.
even we all now MJMC guys, we had gone to Bangalore. We
Okay.
attempted that.
Okay.
There was some issues. They have not come up with the results still.
Okay.
So
So
hopefully-
you're waiting for that.
Yeah.
So my next question is to Akka. So what do you feel about the biking culture? Like, do you support him? Yeah, obviously because of his support, he is doing all these things. So what you felt in the earlier days while you guys got married, and how was that treating you towards the biking culture? Like your husband is more enthusiastic about the bikes and all. So
No, I was okay.
okay, you are okay with everything.
Yeah.
Okay, that's you have been lucky for that.
And
Like usually, yeah, even my wife really supports me to do this thing. So yeah. So what kind of rarest collections you had ever like throughout all these years?
I had a couple of vehicles, but the thing is, because of my health issues, I had to sell because I am not going to ride more now.
Yeah.
So I gave most of my collection. Some I have kept, which is close to me. Like I have kept some of my collection. The rest almost like 10, 15, 20 vehicles I had. I gave up. I think hardly 5 to 6 of them I have now.
Yeah, because in Mangalore, while we speak about bike collectors, Mr. Virat Sebastian's name is in the top. Why? Because not because of quantity, it is only because of the quality. You can later on we will show you his bike collections. If you speak about his Road King, if you speak about his Lambretta, right?
Yeah.
Lambretta, and 3 of other bikes of him are getting ready in Bangalore, right?
Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangalore. So according to me, there are not such. I cannot say it custom. I can tell it as like a stock, exact stock with
I
the
try to do it in the stock.
yeah, kind of like special parts with
OE parts.
OE parts, yeah, exactly. So we have very rare, those kind of bikes are very rare in Mangalore. So Viroshan, so what else kind of hobbies you have? Like what about passionate things you are into?
I do collect a bit of coins and notes.
Okay.
I have a bit of antiques,
Okay.
a bit of watch collection. So everything a bit of. So
But bit off with the quality, not with the quantity. That's what you want to say. So we will show you the coins and his stamp collection later. So you have to convey some message to our viewers not only to the viewers, like those who are really enthusiastic about the vintage bikes and biking culture and kind of a bit of who are interested to the more of antique things, what do you want to say then?
See, this collecting vehicles, it is something, it comes within.
Unique.
Yeah, unique it is.
Yeah.
It comes within. You have to love it. Whenever it is, I feel it is expensive, like to maintain it, get it restored, and all this thing. It is kind of difficult task, and for our weather, it is very difficult to
Because of the sea and water
it's
levels.
the chrome parts.
Chrome parts, yeah.
So my vehicles mostly I get it done in Bangalore, and main person here to do my vehicles are Janana only. Yeah, he only does all the things.
So you have to say something to the upcoming bike enthusiastic guys or like young boys who want to collect such bikes and restore them.
Yeah, I would like to say contact Prem Bhai for this.
I am nothing in this in front of you. A small thing.
Yeah, we can help. Like somebody wants to collect, we can do that. It is a good hobby. I feel that guys should do this.
So if somebody is having a Road King or a Classic or any sector of bikes, who is the best mechanic in Mangalore to be done all these things?
My vehicles are done by Janana.
Yeah.
He is a bit hard to find. Other than that, he is one of the best. Like
Best.
he has blown up my bike. I have done Leh Ladakh. I have done so many rides.
So you can
never had any problem.
Doctor.
Yeah.
Doctor of yes,
Doctor.
Doctor. So you have a group in Mangalore, MJYMC. So it is being led by Mr. Sean. So he has been supporting
Yes,
all
everyone. He is hero.
Hero, yeah. Mr. Captain.
Yes, Mr. Captain.
So last bit of words, what do you want to tell to viewers about anything?
Keep loving vehicles.
Great. Road safety.
Road safety, yeah. Whenever you ride, that is a must.
Yeah. Helmets.
Yeah, because since we are there in all those many groups, so this is the first thing where we say helmet, gears. This is important whenever you ride.
Okay, then you have to say something else.
Yes, of course, very important thing. Our Prem Bhai is doing so much. So I say Stereo Cats, Motovlogs. Share and subscribe.
Yes, thank you so much. This was a bit of small interaction with beautiful couples and a rare vintage collector. So this is his story. So now we will just check out his bikes and some of his rare collections. Thank you. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಂಡ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ರೆಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಕುಡ್ಲಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಚಿನ ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಿಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಓಲ ತೂರಲ ತಿಕ್ಕಂದು ಇಡೀ ಕುಡ್ಲಡ್ ಸೊ ಆತ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಲ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿಂದು ಸೊ ನೆತ್ತ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ದಾದ ಬಂದು ಇತಾರ ಪಂಪೇರು ನೆತ್ತ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ದಾದ ಬಂದು ಇತಾರ ನಿಕ್ಲಿ ಪಂಪೇರು ಈ ಗಾಡಿದ ಪನ್ಲೆ ಬಿರುಷಣ
ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ 1994 da.
ಓಕೆ
And Deppanaga stock it in the single owner gadi.
Okay.
Now it is in my name, and all my vehicles are in my name. It is inspection the FC it maintain malpar apunu panda enada gaadi litte onchur short on malte. So everything is like it is road worthy.
Correct. Quality.
Yeah. So I have done restoration of this bike in Bangalore.
Okay.
Initially in the Maltagorna Janana, but I wanted to get the paint and chrome and all done in Bangalore, so it was taken to Bangalore and it is done.
Okay.
So it has a 18 liters tank.
Okay.
Aluminum air filters.
Okay.
Flower window.
Okay.
Then this is something special. 350 dabu, which is been done only in India.
Okay.
The market.
Okay.
and I have an aluminium bore. This
Okay.
is the normal one.
Okay.
I have aluminium bore as well as rare hub,
Okay.
which is of 350 only. That is also very rare.
Okay.
That was given by a friend of mine.
Okay.
And I have put RPM in it, which is working.
Okay.
This accelerator throttle has been imported from ZEC.
Okay.
So it is done as I had an imagination of doing. I have done it like that.
Okay.
This bike will be there with me,
Forever.
yeah, forever I can say.
Super.
Because I have done lots of rides.
guide it is coming no from
Yeah.
Bangalore. That Java and
I have a 66 Java,
Okay.
which is restored in the same time with same paint only.
Okay.
I have tried to keep up as much original as much as I can. I have done it,
Okay.
so I can show you the video which is in Bangalore.
Okay.
After the rains, I'll be getting it.
Okay. So what is this?
This is Suega. This is made in France.
Okay.
It is 1968 model.
Okay.
It doesn't have a shocks behind.
Okay.
I have two for my boys.
Okay.
So this is under restoration now.
Okay.
This is the tank. This is the fuel on off.
This one, right?
Yeah, my son will on it.
Yeah, please.
Alan?
Can you just show it for us?
Oh wait, I need to. Alan, come. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮತ್ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
పోతుండు ಮದ್ಮೆಗೆ ಬರೋ ಪೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಚಲೆ ನಾಚಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿತು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಉಂಡು. ಸೊ ವೀರೇಶ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದಾದ ಬಂದು ಪರೀರಿ.
ಇಂದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ 1960 model da.
ಓಕೆ.
Single owner.
ಓಕೆ.
It belongs to this Rao and Rao on Circle Nalpa. It belongs to him. And I bought it from him.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇಂದು ಗಾಡಿದ ವಿಷಯ ಪಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡ್ರಿವನ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
ಓಕೆ.
I have tried to keep mostly pure original in the parts pura.
Okay.
This is miles per hour. It's original meter. It's a Italian scooter only it is.
ಓಕೆ.
So this is original. See this handle lock. It comes with this.
ಓಕೆ.
There is a cap for this.
ಓಕೆ.
Then it has got white wall tires. You can see this.
that's what you
So this is also very rare. It's a very old tire. Original white wall. And most of the parts are original.
Okay.
Want to restore it? You can see on this.
What else you can restore with this? Because it's already restored, no?
Yeah.
So you have
yeah,
greater ideas and greater visions.
Yes, I have got some more parts which I have to put. And it is painted like it's now 7 to 8 years back I have done the painting work.
Okay.
So here and there small bubbles are coming up. So I thought I'll just keep it and do it once
Okay.
more.
Okay. Yeah. So
This is one of my favorite also.
yeah.
We have a club here in Mangalore, so we all ride together.
Okay. Fine. Great. ಮಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ರೆ ಉಂಡು ಗಾಡಿ ಅಂಚಂಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ತೂರ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿ ಇರ್ನ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಲ್ಪೆರೆ
Anytime.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Prem bhai, always welcome.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿರುಷಣ್ಣ
Thank you so much.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್